Coffee time, 5:30 a.m. in the morning. 1.5 hours left before I leave for the day. Lots of things to do. So I really don't like coffee that's usually kept at hotels. I mean, somehow I don't know. It's crazy. Most of the time I don't like it. So I went down. I went to a 7 and got some coffee because I like 100% coffee in the morning. That is with no other ingredients, no milk, no coffee mate, none of those. Just pure coffee. Because there isn't any Taubin here, I went and bought this one here. This is like blue coffee, drip coffee. Let's see how that is. So I just have to it looks fancy, so let's see how it works. So this is like, it's drip coffee, but it is without any equipment. So I got this, so I gotta put this onto this, and then I have to open it. Right, okay. Okay, let me bring you closer. You see, there are two hangers here, and this. Let's pour some water onto it. And it's gonna drip. Smells great. Yeah. Awesome. So I went and got my stuff. Oh, it got all hazed from the steam. Yeah, okay, let me put some more water into this. When I was young, there was something called filter paper, right? And people used to make coffee and tea using filter papers. That's way back 30 years ago. I haven't seen that stuff, but you don't really need it these days because you got convenient machines. Like near my house, right? There are 2 or 3 vending machines called Taubin. I really like coffee there because it's fresh. You can actually see the beans. They roast the bean. The machine does everything. It's AI coffee. I'm missing that now because I'm doing manual stuff here. Okay, let me put some more water. There we go. It smells good, and it's a product of Thailand. What is it? They said pour 150 ml of water. Drip coffee, 100% Arabica, fresh flavors, blue coffee. Right. Just a disclaimer: I'm not promoting it. I don't promote products on my channel, at least not yet. So anything I say is not to like endorse any brand or any of that stuff. It's just something that I'm using and I share it on my channel. So for breakfast, right, I have a packet. It's too early, so the restaurant and the food service isn't open, and it would be too late for me when they open. So what I do is this, I went and bought some mini croissants. So I'm gonna have that with coffee and get going in an hour. can't sit here all day. So two things I'm missing. One is a memory card. I need to get a new memory card for the camera. And also I need to get a new battery because I'm just running on one battery, and GoPro doesn't do well with batteries. It's just 1 hour and it's dead. Sometimes not even an hour. So what I have to do now is, after I go to the trendy building, I'll have to first head out to a nearby store, buy some. Hopefully Terminal 21 would be a great idea to just go and get the electronics done. All right. Well, let's take the coffee, head out, and see how does it feel outside, Wow, let's just go into this little balcony. Oh. All right. Great view, great city view, right? I like the city. There's something about Bangkok, it's always had like a pleasant feel to it. It's a bit cloudy today. It's all gray early in the morning, about 5:45 a.m. Great to start your day. Okay, these are some city apartments. Lots of those. The skyline. Like I said, there's always construction happening here. Okay, so I'll have my coffee. You have yours too. I'll see you in a bit.